Do you have a potential investor interested in your company? Are you an entrepreneur who needs to create an investor pitch deck presentation? There's a lot of confusion and misconceptions about what should be included in an investor pitch deck presentation. Ever want to know how to write a great presentation for investor presentations? Check out the video and discover the secrets to writing a winning pitch deck. What is a pitch deck? A pitch deck is a presentation that summarizes important information about a company or project. It is an essential tool for pitching to investors. The top of the pitch deck includes the name of the company and logo. The next section typically includes an executive summary that highlights the company's success to date, its future vision, and why it will change the world. This should be followed by milestones, market potential, team portfolio, and financials. Pitch deck is not just about numbers, but also about what sets your company or project apart from others. How to create an investor pitch presentation. Investors typically have a very short attention span, so you don't want to spend too much time on one slide. Once you've demonstrated your idea is worth investing in, it's important to give the action steps they can take to invest. They are more likely to invest if they know exactly what steps they need to take and how it will impact their bottom line. Who should you address your pitch deck to? A pitch deck presentation is a summary of your company and the investment opportunity. It should be presented to potential investors, customers, or partners. The first question to ask yourself when preparing for a pitch deck presentation is, who am I addressing my pitch deck to? If you are presenting to potential investors, it is recommended that you focus on how much money you need, why you need it, and how it will be used. Why investors fund companies? Investors will fund companies that have a reasonable expectation of profitability through the use of sustainable competitive advantage. The company's method of achieving this competitive advantage should be relatively unique, and the investor believes that it is likely to work. Pitfalls to avoid when writing pitch deck. Be careful to avoid these pitfalls when writing a pitch deck. Don't forget to include your most important points. Be sure to use vivid language that will make the investor feel like they're on the ground floor of your business. Don't use words that investors don't understand. Benchmarks for a successful pitch deck. A pitch deck is a presentation or documentation that includes information about a company, product, or service. It should be compelling and interesting to potential investors. A good pitch deck also has to meet certain benchmarks, because if it doesn't, it will most likely be passed over in favor of something more appealing. These benchmarks include having a persuasive message, an engaging design, and data-driven graphs and charts.